Hey, what up car lover, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are diving into a unique modification for the Subaru Impreza STI GRB that's all about elevating the sleek appearance. Well, we will removing the rear wiper to give this already stunning machine an extra touch of elegance. Stick around and let's get started. Have you ever looked at your car and wonder how you could take this already beautiful look to the next level? Well, this wiper remover mod might just be the answer you've been searching for. It is a simple yet effective way to add some visual flair to your Subaru Impreza STI GRB, making it stand out from the crowd. Now, you might be thinking, why remove the rear wiper? Does it offer any functional advantages? Well, to be honest, not really. This modification is primarily focused on enhancing the car visual appeal. By removing the rear wiper, we create a cleaner and more slimmer look, emphasizing the sleek line and aggressive stand of the Subaru Impreza STI GRB. Alright, let's dive into the process of removing the rear wiper. Before we begin, keep in mind that this mod is purely for aesthetic purposes and it is important to follow local regulation and road safety guidelines.
Okay, now is the step to remove the wiper motor. In order to remove that, you need to remove this screw, this one, out of focus, this one, and this one. After you take out the motor, now you need to disconnect the cable. This one. Okay, go.
This is the whole set of the wiper delete kit. So in order to assemble it, you need to apply this Loctite to the end of this screw, then screw it in. Then this one, the O-ring will put in here, and this O-ring will put in here, and we are done. So this one, you will fix it here like that. Then another one will at the back of it, so both can screw together. And there you have it, folks. We have successfully removed the rear wiper for our Subaru Impreza STI GRB, giving it a cleaner and more aggressive look. Remember, this mod is purely cosmetic and doesn't offer any functional benefit. So if you are fans of taking your car appearance to the next level, this modification might be worth considering. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting car mods and automotive content. As always, thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one. Drive safe and stay stylish.